everyone, thanks for tuning in to another one of my videos. Today I've just got these two orders to show you. I'm just going to jump straight into it with this first one here. So this beautifully wrapped package here is from Cate Planning. Now this is a very new Etsy store and I'm lucky enough to be a part of Jess's PR team for her stickers. So this is my first ever bundle. I'm super excited about it and I can't wait to use it after I show you guys. Okay, so first off you can see all of Jess's contact information for her shop. I definitely recommend joining the VIP group on Facebook as well. That way you'll get early access to see like all the new releases that are coming out every Thursday too. Then the first one here is our May freebie. This has little decorative stickers that match a lot of their kits that are stocked on the store. So it's handy to get like a little bit of extra stickers and you know that they're going to match what you've ordered as well. There's also these stress level stickers here. So you'll see a part of my pack here is that I've got some of the rainbow colorway of the stress and energy level stickers. And then these ones are just in more of like a watercolor design. I think they're really pretty. So on these stickers here as well, there are so many different options. And I think, honestly, I think it will probably just keep growing with what kind of trackers that you can get. So at the moment, I don't even think I can name them all. There's obviously stress and energy. I know there's headache, there's hydrate, pain, there's anxiety as well, but definitely useful whether you use it daily or weekly. I think I'm probably more likely to use these ones in my journal as well, just as a good way to like really mark how I'm feeling at the time. I think it's a really great idea and the colors are really nice as well. Now getting into the kits here. So I have two kits here. I'm just going to separate them so I don't, oops, there we go. So this first one is the pumpkin spice kit. Now this is a full kit. I'm just going to move the other one out of the way. So this is the full like deluxe, I guess, kit. So there's 7 sheets in this one. This one here has obviously has your bottom washi decorative stickers. You've got some date dots there as well. Here are your date covers. You've got 3 habit trackers, plenty of boxes, and I like that Jess has squeezed in 2 extra, like I feel like they're the same size as the quarter boxes, just where there's some extra space for the date covers as well. Here you have all of your headers, and then these like, I don't know, they're like a different texture. I know they don't feel different, but they look like they're going to feel different. So I'm going to go with texture to describe how they look. Then we've got the checklist boxes. You've got your weekly checklist as well. Here are all of your decorative full boxes. I really like these. They're super cute. Just nice and warm, very autumn. And I've seen a few people use these kits already on Instagram and I love how they turned out. So I love pumpkin spice lattes and I really like this kit. So I can't wait to use it. Then this is like an extra sheet of some like glitter headers. You've got your weekend banner, some like bill and appointment stickers and some extra boxes in there as well. So definitely a lot of stickers, really great if you're into like no white space planning as well. I do like that you get the months in here too, because I find other than using like a black script, like a cursive kind of monthly sticker, sometimes it can be really hard to find them that match your spread if you want to put the month in there as well. So I like the addition of these in there too. So that is our full kit of the pumpkin spice kit. The next one here is a basic kit. So this has 4 pages versus the 7 in that one, but still so many stickers to use, and this is the floral blush option. So these are the full boxes that you get with this kit. I think they are beautiful. These ones, I don't know why, they remind me of when I try and like draw something on an Instagram story or something like that. So I like the design of them and the colors are really nice, but I just thought that was a bit funny. Then we've got all of our boxes, date covers, habit trackers, another one of those header sheets where these ones are like a different texture. I really like the effect of that, like it's almost like a watercolor. And then we've got all of our checklist boxes and our weekly checklist. So still so much bang for your buck with that one if you don't need like the bottom washi or you've got like a big stash of washi that you want to get through as well. So I really like the colors in both of those. I feel like they're both quite different to each other as well. But that is my order from Cate Planning. I don't want to forget to tell you as well that I actually have a discount code that you guys can use if you're planning on making an order. So if you use Jess15 at the checkout, that will get you a discount on all of these beautiful items. And there are some new releases up today as well, which you'll have to go check out too. Next up, I have this order from Birdy Planning. So I'm going to open that one up quickly. Now, I feel like of all the like Aussie Etsy stores, Birdy Planning is the one I've ordered off from the most. It would have to be between Birdy Planning and GP Studio as to what I have the most of, but I feel like I have like 5 of these samplers throughout my house. Anyway, this order from Birdy Planning is very much appreciated. There was a few little like custom requests and everything that I was able to get with no problem at all. So I was just really happy with the service that I received, and obviously the stickers as well if I keep ordering them like 5 times. So first off, I have this sampler here. So this one, it's got a lot crammed into it. So you've got like some glitter headers. I always use these open planner stickers, some cute little Mother's Day. These are the new like Game of Thrones icons as well. Love these. I always end up using these samplers and like reaching for them as well. It's kind of, I think it's because there's like a consistency to them. So you know you're gonna get the glitter headers, you know you're gonna get like these planners here and a few like more seasonal kind of icons. So it's really handy, and yeah, I find myself reaching for them a lot. Then I have these circle stickers. I really like using these when I can write like my work time in the bottom and put like a work script sticker at the top. I thought they'd also be cute for layering over washi as well. I have these dots here as well. Now, I am a huge fan of the little dots from Studio Kylie, but you can't get the, like Studio Kylie isn't around anymore. So I'm trying to find my replacement dots, I guess. So I've got these ones, and I'll probably try a few others from different stores as well, just to find what ones I like. I just really like the colors of these ones. I feel like they'll match a lot of the like stickers that I use. Now, here are where the custom requests start coming in. So I really liked, and I've mentioned it before in a few Plan With Me's, these open planner stickers. And then when I was on the Birdy Planning store, I noticed they have luxe icons. So I saw this planner and I just thought it was so cute, but they all have a script on them. So similar to these ones here that have Mother's Day and movie night. So I just sent a message and I asked if I could have them without the script, because usually I like to write it myself next to it. And that was more than fine. So I got these ones. These are the date night ones. I had one of these in a sampler as well, and I really liked it, and I just snipped off the little piece of script. So I got a sheet of those and then a sheet of the open planners as well. Then I grabbed some more of the Days of the Week stickers. Now usually these come with 5 different fonts, but I just asked if I could have them all with the font that comes in the middle, and that was fine. So I really like the like thin writing, I guess I would say. I don't know, it's not super cursive or anything like that. I think it's just nice and plain, and it won't clash too much with any of the other items. And then I purchased a few sheets from a kit. I think it's, I can't remember the name of it. I'm just going to check if it's here. No, I think it's called something mint, like, oh, I don't even know. Sorry. Oh, you can have a look on Birdy Planning. It's very obvious. There's not a ton of kits on there. But this one here has just got their date covers and a few of your like weekly checklists. Then you've got your washi weekend banner and all that other good stuff, like your glitter headers too. And then your boxes as well. So I just grabbed a few sheets from this one. I really liked the colors in it, and I just wanted to see. I haven't used a Birdy Planning kit since I've started like planning more seriously with more stickers. So I did have one for like around Christmas time, but that was before the paper was updated to this premium matte. So I wanted to give these ones a try as well. There you have it. That is my, I was going to say little haul. There's quite a bit here. So that is my haul of things that have come through my letterbox this week. I'm super excited. I feel like I need to calm down a bit with the ordering, but we can worry about that later. Thanks again for watching the video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.